Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. I'm going outside. Brrr. It's cold outside. It makes your body shiver and shake. Brrr. It's cold out. I'm wearing a coat to be warm and toasty. And I'm wearing a hat. It keeps my head warm and snuggly. Good job, hat. But I want to be really warm and toasty, fuzzy and snuggly. What's missing? What's missing? Ooh, what about this? This looks like a fuzzy snuggle warmer. Oh, it's warm, but I can't see. Oh, this isn't a fuzzy snuggle warmer. It's long, it's warm, it's fuzzy, and it goes around your neck. It's a scarf. Ooh, it's cold out there. Now I'm ready to go outside. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunny.